boxing, you've already known this because you already got the thing, but you got your radio, you've got your battery, and then pull up this tray, and then this is the little earpiece. It's got the 2-prong right there. That 2-prong goes into the side right here, and then it'll be an earpiece. It's got an earpiece in it that'll stick in your ear, and then it's got a push to talk on there too. There's a push to talk to be able to talk. Or if you set the box like I'm going to show and demonstrate for you, they can just talk into the earpiece and it'll work. But again, this isn't noise canceling, so if there's a lot of noise around it, it's going to probably activate the box anytime. That's why push to talk would be good for a really loud environment for this headset. And then you've got your antenna. This little clip right here, if you take these 2 screws out, you can put the clip on the back, and then you clip this to your belt. This is a little lanyard. You can slip this lanyard right through there and then tie it to itself, and then slip it through there, and then so if you want to have the lanyard on there, and then your charger's in there as well. So that's the big. Just to turn it on and change your volume, you just basically turn this, and it'll turn it on. You can hear that the more I turn it up, the more volume you're going to have. You see this little indicator right here, that's means it's on band A, and this lower one is the band B, and you can see the numbers. I'm just going to light it up here so you can see it. You can see it says 15, that means it's channel 15, and that lower one says 31, that means you're on channel 31. So I put channel 31 as JAG just for you. It's actually channel 15 with privacy tone on it. That way it can help you out there a little bit. So again, going back to that indicator, to move that indicator from band A to band B, you just simply push this AB button. See how it moved down? Now it is on channel 31. If I hit it again, now it's on channel 15. You see how the indicator just moves up and down. The only difference between band A and band B is band A shows the frequency that you're actually transmitting on. Band B shows the name. So if I go back to band A and I want this to go to channel 31, which would be the same as the band B, I just type in 0, 3, 1. Now these are actually on the same frequency right now. You can see it says channel 31, channel 31. They're on the same frequency. So JAG is actually 462.550 with the privacy tone. That's why that little CT is in the corner. So I'm going to go back to 15 just to show it. You can either use the up and down arrows too. 1, 0, 3, 1. So you can, I'm going to turn that down a little bit. 3, 0, 2, 9. You can simply by go down, or if you want to go a little faster, you type in the 3-digit code, which is 0, 1, 5. Now I'm back on 15. Now if I wanted band B to be on that same one, it would be 0, 1, 5. See, it's just going to say GMRS 15 because that's what it is. So I'm going to go back to what yours is and go 0, 3, 1. Now it's on the JAG. So you wanted to be able to use the Vox. So that is in the menu. So if you press this little menu button right there. Menu. Now see, it's on menu 0. If I press up, that's menu 2 or menu 1, 2, 3, 4. So the Vox is actually on right now. I think I set them all to off. So yours is actually set to off. Confirm. So if you want to have the Vox and not have to push the push to talk, which is right here, to transmit, kind of like a walkie-talkie, if you don't want to have to push this button every time you transmit, you can go menu. And then you got to hit menu again to move the indicator down, and then you can start using these up keys to change your Vox setting. Now the lower the Vox setting, the less noise to open the mic. So 1 would be the least amount of noise to open the Vox. And it goes all the way up to 10. And 10 means the most amount of noise to open the Vox. And so I'm going to go to 1, and I'm just, to confirm that, I've got to hit the menu button to confirm it. And now it means that it's on Vox setting 1. So if I hit exit here, and if I see, I just opened it by just tapping on it. So it's transmitting right now. You can see that because it's up and going right now. So if you want to turn that off, see, I wasn't even touching the PTT button, and I opened it up. So Now it's opened up and it's transmitting right now without doing. That's what the Vox does. So I'm going to go ahead and turn that back off. To do that, you go menu, hit menu again to go down, turn it to the off position, and then to select that setting, you got to hit menu again. If you don't hit menu, it won't confirm it. You got to listen for that confirm, and that turns the Vox off. And the only other menu I want you to notice is at the bottom of the menu. It's menu 40. This is a reset all. You don't want to do that. If you reset this, it'll wipe the programming out and you have to reprogram it. So you want to just stay away from menu 40. And you see how it automatically clicked off. If you don't click the menu for a while, it'll click back off. Menu. I think I set all your menus to pop up at 4, so the Vox is ready for you to go ahead and change if you want to turn the Vox on or off. The only other thing I want to show you really quick is this lock key. You see that little lock key in the bottom? If you want to lock the keypad so you don't want to change the channel or anything, you just press and hold this. Lock. And you see that little lock in the corner? Now whatever I push here, it's not going to change anything because I've locked the keypad. That comes in handy if you're rubbing up against something and you don't want to know that you're changing. You can still transmit, but it just locks the keypad. So see, I can't change to the different band right now. So I'm going to go ahead and press and hold this again to unlock. The other thing that you'll want to need to know about is this VFO-MR. This changes it to frequency mode. So frequency mode's like the unprogrammed mode. If you have somebody you're just trying to talk to that's not programmed in here, you could program in their frequency. So say he's on 450-350. Now I'm able to talk to that guy at 450-350. But most of the time you're going to be on channel mode, and you know you're on channel mode when you see the channels in the right hand corner. If you don't see the channels in the right hand corner, you're on frequency mode. You just need to hit this little orange button and you're back into channel mode. So that's about all you've got right here that you probably need to know about. Just a couple extra bonus features here. If you press this monitor button, this will turn on your flashlight. And then another one is this call button. If you hit this call button, it's going to turn on the radio. So you can actually listen to the radio. So, and then when the radio is on, so when the radio is on, you can still transmit. So I can hit transmit. I'm going to still be transmitting. So anyway, and once I'm done transmitting, the radio should come back on. And if you want the radio off, you just hit the button again. So not sure if you want that feature or not, but it won't interrupt your transmissions, but you do have a radio feature on there. So anyway, that's pretty much the basics of this radio. If you want to put your headset in, you've got the headset port right here. You put the single rider cord in there, and then you can plug your headset into it, and then your headset works with the push to talk button or with the Vox if you have the Vox on. So that's about the basics.